Looking to bring restaurant quality cooking, performance, and precision into your kitchen? Look no further than Miele ranges. In this video, we'll cover what makes Miele ranges unique while giving you all the information you need to select the best one for your home. Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances. We've partnered with Miele at our Bedminster, New Jersey showroom to bring you the Miele Innovation Center, New Jersey and New York's best way to experience how Miele appliances can improve the functionality and design of your home. For years, we've had the pleasure of selling and installing Miele's high-quality dishwashers, laundry, and built-in wall ovens and cooktops. However, Miele was always lacking a pro-style range in their appliance lineup. Fortunately, with our newest edition of American-style ranges, Miele has become a powerhouse when it comes to the cooking category. As with shopping for most appliances, selecting the right one for your home can feel like a daunting task. Miele offers many different range sizes and configurations, so first we'll talk about the features that all of their range share in common, then we'll highlight the differences in different models. First, Miele's main advantage is their thoughtful modern design. With the introduction of their pro-style range lineup, Miele has made a bold statement. The ranges appear sleek, refined, and more contemporary than other high-end ranges. Appointed with a beautiful brushed stainless steel finish and black glass door, Miele seamlessly integrates technology and modernity, creating a statement piece found in well-appointed homes rather than in commercial kitchens. While Miele is synonymous with modern kitchen design, their products can also be used in more traditional kitchens as well. Miele has addressed every detail with the design of their ranges. For starters, Miele follows a fleet design paradigm across the entire appliance lineup. If you have more than one Miele appliance, all of your appliances will share similar design elements, creating a seamless, modern aesthetic throughout your kitchen. The Clean Touch stainless steel is fingerprint resistant, which makes cleaning a breeze. Miele ranges feature a soft close and soft open door for a high quality feel. As for the knobs, they are also stainless steel and offer precision control whether you're in simmer mode or high power mode. The circular LED backlit accents are a nice high-end touch to complete the modern look of the range. Next, Miele has designed their ranges for optimal cooking performance and control. For the stovetop, their dual stack burners can reach all the way up to 19,500 BTUs, great for searing or high heat wok cooking, while also having the versatility to maintain a low simmer at about 700 BTUs for delicate sauces or melting chocolate. When thinking about BTU output, our customers are typically looking for the highest and lowest numbers. We always stress though that BTUs are not the most important thing to think about. You also need to consider the shape of the flame and the distance from the burner. Miele has optimized for both and ensures maximum heat transfer when cooking at high heat and minimal transfer at low heat. Miele offers their ranges with optional griddle or char grill configurations, giving you the versatility of various cooking methods. Thanks to the infrared ceramic burners that power these options, using the griddle or char grill, even at the lowest temperatures, will give you perfectly even cooking with no hot spots. Miele gives you a sleek stainless steel cover, always leaving your range looking fresh when not in use. Down below, the oven's preheat times are significantly faster than competitors thanks to Miele's rapid ProHeat feature. When you preheat the oven, all elements will turn on to help you quickly reach your desired temperature. The 30 and 36-inch ranges come with twin convection fan blowers, whereas the 48-inch ranges come with a powerful single convection fan, excellent for baking. Next, Miele's ranges are designed from top to bottom with cleaning in mind, which is a critical component if you have a busy household or cook a lot and can quickly become a nuisance if poorly executed. To start, the entire range top is a sealed surface, which means there are no areas for grease to hide and build up over time like in competitor ranges. The range also has high sides, so liquids are never in danger of spilling over the edge, ruining your floor or burning your feet. The cooking grates are dishwasher safe, which is super convenient and will save you tons of time by not having to wash them by hand. Certain Miele dishwashers, in fact, even have special programs designed to specifically clean grates and racks. All Miele ranges include a self-clean mode, even they're all gas ranges, and Miele is actually the only brand that allows you to leave the racks inside the oven during self-clean mode, which will make your life easier since these racks tend to be heavy and difficult to maneuver and store. So that covers the standard features across the entire Miele range lineup. As with any other high-end range on the market, choosing a Miele range is an investment, so you want to make sure you're choosing the right model for your kitchen and lifestyle. To make it easy, we'll cover 3 factors you'll want to consider when shopping for the perfect Miele range for your kitchen: fuel type, basic versus deluxe features, and size. The first decision you'll need to make when selecting a Miele range is fuel type. Miele offers their ranges in all gas, dual fuel, electric, and induction. All gas simply means both the cooktop and the oven are powered by gas. This is the typical type of range you'll see in most kitchens. Dual fuel ranges offer the best of both worlds. They have a gas-powered cooktop, but the oven is powered by electricity. This gives you the instant control of gas on the cooktop and the more consistent heating capability of electric in the oven. We almost always recommend the dual fuel version of these ranges since the oven performance is much more consistent, especially for baking. Just remember, for dual fuel you will need a dedicated 240-volt electric line run to power the oven in addition to a gas line to power the cooktop. So if you don't have one already, you'll need to have one run by an electrician. Induction ranges have an electric induction cooktop and an electric oven, which is convenient if you don't have access to gas at home. Induction gives you the responsiveness of gas while being more efficient, quicker to heat, easier to clean, and safer. If you're open to new technologies, induction should be something on your radar. The only drawback is you'll need induction-capable cookware, so if you have a favorite set of pots and pans you're unwilling to say goodbye to, you may want to steer clear of induction. And finally, Miele offers a standard electric smooth top range, which also has an electric cooktop and oven, but lacks the benefits of induction we discussed. Next, Miele offers their ranges with a basic or deluxe feature set. The basic feature set includes Miele's direct select control configuration for the oven, which is essentially two knobs. The first knob controls the cooking mode, convection bake, convection broil, self-clean, broil, bake, and the second knob controls the oven temperature, from 150 degrees all the way up to 500 degrees. There's also a simple digital clock that can also function as a timer. You can also use the digital screen to set a start time and end time for turning your oven on and off. With Basic, you'll get two oven racks. One is a standard roasting rack, while the second is a smoothly gliding rack. With the deluxe feature set, you'll get the best Miele has to offer, so stick with us here as we have a lot to cover. The standout feature is Miele's gorgeous M-Touch display that is extremely user-friendly, almost like a smartphone interface. The control panel tilts out at an angle to make it easy for you to program or monitor your progress. You can do everything from setting basic cooking modes and temperatures to selecting pre-programmed cooking programs for specific food items. Deluxe ranges also include a wireless cooking probe that never needs to be charged. The probe can be inserted into whatever you're cooking, and you can monitor the internal temperature directly from the M-Touch display. Since it's wireless, you don't need to deal with the hassle of plugging in a probe wire. Traditional probes take measurements from just their tip, and if you miss the correct location, you'll get incorrect results, leaving you with undercooked food. Miele's probe takes measurements from 4 different spots on the metal needle, giving you the peace of mind of accurate measurements even if you place in a non-favorable area. You'll also get Miele's Moisture Plus feature. In order to utilize this feature, you'll need to connect a direct water line to your range. We promise though the results it provides are worth the added installation complexity. Moisture Plus gives you total control over the humidity in the oven cavity. This is great for baking breads. Another cool feature that is exclusive to Miele is their built-in cooking assistant called MasterChef. MasterChef boasts hundreds of pre-programmed recipes and cooking programs to give you the most control and versatility when cooking or baking. From complex bread baking programs to the simplest pizza bake. No need to program the mode, temperature, or duration. MasterChef does it all for you. Specific details such as browning level for meat can be adjusted based on your preferences. Or if you have your own recipe, you can add it yourself. This cooking assistant takes full advantage of the wireless cooking probe and moisture steam feature, giving you perfect restaurant quality results every time. The temperature range on the Deluxe range is extremely versatile. You can cook all the way at 75 degrees, all the way up to 575 degrees. From a design standpoint, the Deluxe ranges feature a unique swivel handle that adds another level of comfort during use, and you'll also get an additional smooth gliding rack over the basic range for a total of 3 racks. And lastly, Deluxe ranges offer a catalyzer function that removes grease and odors from vapors created while you cook. It can be customized based on what you're cooking, whether you want to eliminate the smell of salmon or maximize the smell of your chocolate chip cookies. That covers Basic versus Deluxe, and as you can see, Deluxe offers a ton of great features, and if you have the budget, we highly recommend upgrading for the additional features we mentioned. And lastly, Miele offers their ranges in 3 different sizes designed to fit any kitchen: 30 inches, 36, and 48 inches. Each are available with different cooktop configurations when it comes to the burners, griddle, and grill. The 30-inch comes in all 3 fuel types, whereas the 36-inch only comes in gas or dual fuel. The 48-inch only comes in dual fuel and has the works when it comes to all the features we discussed in this video, including a unique 3-door concept that includes a convection oven, speed oven, and warming drawer all in one. With all that said, you can't go wrong with the Miele range. Their core values as a family-owned company guarantee an unparalleled level of quality and customer service. Match that with their dependable, long-lasting quality from knob to burner, and you will feel confident with your next purchase. We hope this video is giving you a great starting point when it comes to selecting the best Miele range for your home. And as always, if you have any questions and you're in the New Jersey area, feel free to give us a call or stop by one of our showrooms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.